Good morning, kids. This is me, Shifa. Today I am going to conduct a class on subject maths, and my topic will be circle the biggest number of one digit. Earlier, I have taken a session on circle the biggest number of two digit. So from that, I got a concern that you all kids are not able to understand double digit concept to circle the biggest number. So I'm going to start with the primary step, that first I'm going to start with the single digit to circle the biggest number. I'm going to differentiate between the biggest number and smallest number. For this concept I'm going to explain with small activity. So let's start with an activity. Here I have taken some of the example of big and small. So coming to the first example, that is I have taken a toothpaste. So one is a small toothbrush and second is big toothbrush. As you can see, they can differentiate by their size. Now coming to the second picture, that is one big pencil, one small pencil. As you can see, this green pencil is big and this red pencil is small. Now coming to this bangle, that is this is a small bangle as you can see, and this is big bangle. So ऐसे ही हम नंबर्स के डिफ्रेंशिएशन भी करते हैं कि कौन सा नंबर छोटा है और कौन सा नंबर बड़ा. तो ये एक्टिविटी, ये एग्जांपल्स के थ्रू एक्टिविटी थी. अब मैं इसको नंबर्स के थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करूँगी आपको. Kids, I have taken 3 examples of numbers. That is, on first example I have taken number 6 and number 8. So if I should say that अगर मैं आपको 6 टॉफ़ी दूँ और दूसरे आपके फ्रेंड को 8 टॉफ़ी दूँ, तो किसको सबसे ज़्यादा टॉफ़ी मिलेगी? जो आपका फ्रेंड होगा उसको 8 टॉफ़ीज़ मिलेंगी. ठीक है, क्योंकि नंबर 8 इज़ बिगर और नंबर 8 जो है वो 6 के बाद भी इसलिए आता है. सो कमिंग टू द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज़ 3 and 2. सो अगर मैं आपको 3 टॉफ़ीज़ दूँ या 3 पेंसिल्स दूँ और आपके फ्रेंड को 2 पेंसिल दूँ, तो किसे ज़्यादा पेंसिल मिलेगी? 3. और 3 2 के बाद भी आता है इसलिए. कमिंग टू द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज़ 2 and 3. अगर मैं आपको 2 ऑरेंजेस दूँ और आपके फ्रेंड को 3 ऑरेंजेस दूँ, तो किसे ज़्यादा ऑरेंजेस मिलेगा? जो आपका फ्रेंड होगा जिसको मैंने 3 ऑरेंजेस दिए, और इसीलिए 3 नंबर 2 के बाद आता है. So all the big numbers come after small number. So let's start with an activity sheet. Through an activity sheet I am going to explain this concept more clearly. So this is our activity sheet. I have drawn 2 fish. Okay, one is mother fish as you can say, and one is baby fish. So mother fish is big fish and baby fish is small. So you have to color the biggest fish. So you have to color this mother fish. Now coming to the question number 2, circle the biggest number. So on question number 1, there are 2 numbers, that is 3 or 3 and 4. You have to circle 4 because 4 is big. Coming to the question number 2, that is 6 and 2. So in comparison to 6 and 2, 6 is biggest number. You have to circle 6. Now coming to the third, 7 and 8. Between these 2 number, 8 number is biggest. So you have to circle this 8 number. With this class, I can say that you all kids now able to understand the concept of big and small. Thank you.